Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, it's going to be my monthly subscription beauty box, Boxycharm. So this is the box, guys. I haven't opened it yet. So on today's video, we are going to unbox it, and at the same time, we're gonna try it on today. So this is how it's look like, the box, and the box is bigger than it used to be. So this is big. Yeah, the box is bigger than it used to be, but anyways, yay, I'm excited. So yeah, we're gonna try it on for this video. So yeah, guys, we're gonna unbox it, and then we're gonna try it on today. The disclaimer: I don't know how to do eyeshadow, and I don't know how to play makeup. I'm just gonna enjoy playing with makeup, and we'll see how it's look like. Okay guys, let's open it. It's still sealed right there, so we're gonna try on to open it with the so let's open it, guys. We'll see. I received it today, so lucky that I'm off today. I don't work today, so yay. It's hard to open, so yeah. So guys, this is how it look like, the box. They changed the box. It's red. The last month, the box that I received, it's all black. So this is the box, and this is the paperwork. They write down all the product that have it in the box, and this is how it look like. So let's do and start, guys. I'm excited. So guys, the first product is Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette, and it costs $35. So this is how it's look like, guys. So the second product is the Kyrie Priest. I don't know if I'm gonna say it right, so I'm just gonna put the name on it on the screen. So Kyrie's antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. Oh, I love serum. So this is the second product, guys, from my monthly subscription beauty box, and the retail price is $90. Oh, I'm excited with this. It says antioxidant dew lavishes skin with cleansing eucalyptus-related antioxidant, nurturing amino acid, and a array of shooting botanicals. Use as lightweight hydrator as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. And then it's $90 for this Kyrie's antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. So I love this. I love serum. So the third items, guys, is the Dose of Color liquid matte lipstick, and it costs $18. So this is how it's look like. So fourth item, guys, is the Lily Lashes Wax Mink. So this is a fall lashes, pretty fall lashes. This is the first time Boxycharm fall lashes. It's so cute. So the last 5 items, guys, is the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. So, and this is $35. And then this is pretty brush, set of brush, so pretty. This is the first time that Boxycharm, I think, I'm not sure, but this is the first time that I receive a brush that's they call it Boxycharm brush. So okay, after I'm showing all the product that I got for this month for my monthly subscription beauty box, so today's, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try on some of the product that I received this month. So okay, let's start with try on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. So this is how it look like, guys. Again, this is how it look like, the eyeshadow. So pretty, very pretty colors of the eyeshadow, and this is how it's look like again. And yeah, So okay guys, let's do. So disclaimer lang guys, I don't know how to do eyeshadow. I'm just gonna play with this and put it on my eyelid. So I'm going to use this color and put it on my eyelid. Okay. The color is so pretty. Alright, we're done with the first color guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my left eyelid. Okay guys, done with the first color of the eyeshadow, and let's move on to the next color. So next color is this one. So I'm just gonna put it on to my hair. The color is so beautiful. So next color is this. I'm gonna highlight it to my eyes. I'm gonna put it right here. That, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like that. And that. And next, so I'm going to use the same color, this one, to highlight my inner corner of my eyes guys. So I'm gonna put this here to highlight, just highlight my inner corner of my eyes. This is so shiny. Ooh, look at that guys. Ulitin natin. Okay, so we're done. Ta-da! So I don't know how to do eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna put the same color on my lower eyelashes. This one. This. Just gonna put it on my lower lashes. That. So we're done with the eyeshadow. So beautiful colors. Celestial Thunder Dominic Cosmetics. So tapos we're done with the eyeshadow. Let's move on to the next. Let's move on to the next product, guys. So next product that we're gonna try on this Dose of Color liquid matte lipstick. So this is gonna try on. Cute. In the shade Nude Mood. That's the shade. So let's open it, guys. The color is so cute. So this is how it's look like, guys. It's nude color. It says in the paper that this is a matte lipstick. So let's, ooh, this look like, ta-da! I love their lipstick. They're like really pretty lipsticks. So let's put it on, guys. So guys, this is how it look like, the color of the lipstick. Yan siya. So I like the color. It's like nude color. So this is the lipstick that I got for my monthly subscription beauty box. Pretty color, and this is the nice brand too. I have like maybe we'll see 4 lipstick that the same brand of this lipstick. So okay guys, I'm done with the eyeshadow and the lipstick. The things that I cannot try on today is the very pretty, so pretty packaging is the serum. This is what it look like. And then the brushes. The brush is so nice. So guys, this is the brush. They have like label Boxycharm. So they are so pretty, and then the brush is so soft. I love the brush. So this is how it look like, guys. The brush, very pretty, very pretty brush. And then they have Boxycharm on it, so really soft. So really soft brush. Ooh, I think this is oh my god, it's really soft. So the third item that I cannot try because it's gonna take forever to put it on, because I don't know how to put faux lashes. This is how it look like, guys. Boxycharm faux lashes. So yeah, very pretty. So I cannot try it on because I don't know how to put faux lashes. It's gonna be forever to put it on. It's just me, okay guys, because I don't know how to put eyelashes. Wait guys, I totally forgot about this. I forgot, it's Pretty Vulgar. I love this product, and it's undercover lightweight concealer. So yeah, interesting. They have those shades that you can pick which one is the right color for you. So yay, I forgot about these. So this is how it's look like, guys. Ta-da! Like I'm almost done with the videos, and then I forgot about this. So maybe my shade is the second one. We'll see this one. So let's try it. I never seen. I love this brand. I have a blush on exactly the same this brand. They are really nice brand. So yeah. So guys, let's talk about the product. So my favorite product is this Caprice Zero. I'm so excited about this because it is $90 for this glow serum. So yay, I'm so excited. Definitely I'm gonna use it a lot, like every night, to use this serum. So, and then the eyeshadow, I love the eyeshadow, very pretty colors. And also the lipstick, very pretty colors. This is the color of the lipstick. And also the brush is really soft, pretty brush. And the faux lashes, definitely I'm gonna try it on. So pretty. So I just need to learn how to put on the faux lashes because I don't know how to put on the faux lashes. So everything is a good product for this month. I'm so excited to try all of this and play with it. So yeah. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone. Bye.